Hello to you. Now it's time for this little boy, for him for clothes. The little baby's got enough now, and this now the little brother's turn. As you can see, I already make him a tracksuit. Yeah. Um, I used the black secret sock like the same. I'm gonna use for the other tracksuit pant now for him. I will show you how to make that. I use that because for the S for the Superman, so I put one in the front and then on the one leg. So, but first, I'm gonna show you how to make a little pattern for this little one for clothes. So, let's get to that first now. So, yeah, let's get started. As with the baby, I'm using this normal Colton paper. You can use normal paper if you want, or cardboard paper if you want, but I like using this. So I'm going to also make his pattern from his body. So it's the best way to make a pattern for them, so you know it will fit. So I'm going to put his neck is by the top line there, and then as straight as possible, going here by his shoulders, over there, lift up his arm, and then here by his armpit. Try to keep your pen as straight as possible, so that will give some space, so it's not totally against his body. Okay, this is now for a shirt, so I'm just going to make the length here by his bum. So there, the pattern is now cut out. But now, like for the boy, for his arms, I'm gonna make it just a little bit in, like that, for his sleeves. Just fold them off again, and to cut that out. So now he's got then his sleeve, and there is the body part of the pattern for his shirt or tracksuit or whatever. Okay, so now for his pants, you just also put him up here, and then as you can see, there is a line for him for his pants where he must end. So I'm going to just take it a bit more upper than the line showing here on the door. And then if you want to put elastic and make it just a little bit longer, so you know there for the hem. And then try to stretch his leg out as far as possible, just to get the inner thigh of him. And you also just go around the line, and then you have this whole piece here between his leg and down again. and then under his feet, that is the length of his leg. I do. So I'm using just this little secret socks that I will show you I bought last time. I'm just going to cut out the side around so I can cut this white part off. I'm just going to do that first. Okay, so now it's cut out, so I'm going to put just one side because maybe I will need this. I don't know if I'm going to have enough of this of the pattern here for his tracksuit. I use this the ribbing on the on the socks. I use for the ribbings on the tracksuit, so I'm going to cut this off as well, just on the line there. That will help me. I'm not going to keep it on here because I'd like to stretch it a bit, and then it works like elastic band. Okay, so there everything is cut out. So I'm going to start by the body. I'm going to just fold it in half again, and then cut out my little, just like a round thing. Yeah, maybe I just use my bigger scissor just to for the soldier seams. There you go. So now first I'm going to sew it just close there on top. I'm going to use my machine. You can hand sew it if you want, but I'm going to use my machine. And there's a little boy with another tracksuit. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, push that like button, subscribe to my channel, and then you can see more of this. And please share. And if you're welcome to leave a comment in the comment box if you want. And then until next time. Bye.